Namaste friends, hello Dosto, welcome to Mudita Naari's colorful channel. Continuing with our festive themes, in this video I have transformed a tin into a festive plant pot. And these are the items I've used: a tin, some beads, a festive color wool, a needle with thread, a scissor, a glue gun, couple of squares, a pom-pom, a nail hammer excluded from the picture. So list is complete. Let's start with the process. I've used this 2 kg tin of ghee. I cleaned it, washed it, and with the help of nail and hammer, I made small holes at the base of this tin. Now time for beautification. With the help of this glue gun, I'm going to stick the wool. Where is it gone? Found it. Let's go, buddy. There. Yes, I'm going to stick the wool and then go all around the tin like this. I find pushing wool through the beads or thick thread through the beads quite time consuming and frustrating. So what I've done is I've used the needle that is married to the thread and knotted at the end, and the wool is going through the thread. Now this bead has passed past the needle by the thread down to the wool. I'm going to keep going around the tin. One more thing, because the tin can be slippery, what I'm doing is I'm tightening the wool from time to time. So I've completed the whole process now. And I've glued this square and this pom-pom and another square to hide the wool joints. All I need now is some compost and a plant, and that's it. And there you go, filled with compost and aloe vera plant. My friends, we have reached to the end of this video. Please let me know what you think of this complete transformation of a tin, or should I say festive plant pot. What you think of the finished look? Please do let me know. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please click on that subscribe button. And if you have liked this video, remember to give thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, my friends. Till we meet again, take care. Aujo. Bye.